Gabriel woke up one day, the Lord called him and said, I have a mission for you. Gabriel said, it's okay, I'll do it now and today. I'll turn Lord's wishes true. Then he showed up to Daniel, help him understand. The Lord is coming to take man's sins away. He's coming as man to feel the same as you feel every now and then.
Gabriel then appeared to take a riot, said your son will be born. He shall be called as John, and he'll be great to know, and thou shalt have such joy. His most level of job, showing himself to a girl. Her name was Mary, and she was very scared but not afraid. He said, Mary, I've come to announce that it's the Lord that you'll carry around. The Lord is coming to take man's sins away.
He's coming as man to feel the same as you feel every now and then.
But sometimes he takes life to death in disguise, guiding souls to heaven.
His deeds never end, rebuke around to this man, even destroy it, Jerusalem. But after all, his name doesn't matter.
He's just an angel that told everyone,
Lord is coming to take man's sins away.
take the man's sins away. He's coming as man to feel the same as you feel every now and then. The Lord is coming to take man's sins away.
Yeah.
He's coming as man to feel the same